Look in the mirror. That's your only competition.
Hi guys, my name is Zamaswaze and today I'll be taking you through a full body HIIT workout that you can do in the comfort of your home. Takealot has got me set up with some amazing home workout equipment, but don't worry, you can still do the exercises without the equipment. The workout includes the box ski jumps, single arm sit-up rows, jump squats to kick back, alternating knee ends, low plank step ups to plank jacks, and lastly the elevated glute bridge to abductions. Now perform each exercise for 40 seconds and rest for 20 seconds in between. For beginners they can do 3 rounds and advanced people can do 4 to 5 rounds. Bye!